Today we got Hot Wheels Mario Kart, Bowser's Castle Chaos. We also got Mario and Baby Mario. Let's open it up.
Let's see it open. Nice. Very cool. And let's see yours, Joaquin. Can you pick it up a little bit?
He's one of the most best cars, and his vehicle is called the Bee Dasher. Ta-da!
Okay. So
We've got some instructions.
Okay.
And
some stickers.
Ooh, I bet, guys, I bet these are for when at the end when I think they're for the track that we're going to build.
Okay. So let's get the pieces out.
Okay, kids, I think it was just the tape that was sticking together. Okay,
Let's save Yoshi out of there.
Yoshi's trying to get out. I think you have to pull it up. Oh, there it is. He fell. His name is Blue Yoshi. I don't know if it's
This one was my favorite in the games, the Blue Yoshi.
I like Blue Yoshi as well. He's my favorite. Wow, he has the perfect neon.
All the pieces that were in the box.
Okay. Okay, I think I got all 4 sides. Okay.
Yes.
It's stacked.
Nice.
Okay, here. Okay, I'm doing my best.
You got it.
There.
Nice.
Here I come. There.
Nice. Now we need these and 2 of these.
Okay. Snap one piece in. Just like from the Mario.
You want to push it?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, go. And
okay, I got this. Okay. Wait, hold on. And snap. Okay.
okay, now the other side.
Here it comes.
There you go.
Look, okay.
Good job.
Here it comes. I think.
Put it in there. And then on the other side. Nice.
Now we put it in the middle. And does it connect here?
Yes. Good job.
Mom. Here comes this side. Looks like it's this side down there. Oh my. He looks so hilarious. It looks so hilarious without his body.
Yeah, let's put those arms on. In there.
How can I not? Oh, it's so hilarious. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, one snapped.
There you go. Nice.
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
And how we get it. Okay.
Nice. Wow, it looks great. Now let's put the sticker on. Let's do a test run.
I go like this side. We're gonna have to push it really, really hard. Looking right now.
Oh, both of you got punched out.
I got punched out again. I think that.
Nice.
Whoa, did I do it perfectly? I think.
Good.
Mom,
Nice.
look.
Go. Nice.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
50 out of 10.
Okay.
I think they 1 billion out of 10.